bit.
Right, so this is another.
That BSA, and this one is our airsporter S, I think. Right, airsporter S. Last person must have put that in. BSA new airsporter air rifle for the elite. So that is September 1981. So that was when
20 went and bought it.
Little bottle's missing.
Oil
bottle is empty.
It's there, but it's been used. So they've looked after it.
Oh, that's still.
That's the good thing about it when you see the bottle's been emptied.
I do know these were walnut stuck. That's like a tiger stripe.
Oh, right.
See it when you turn it. The only difference I would say is the factories put airsporter S.
Aye,
some previous clones gouge as well. It was like that when I got it. Metal sights as opposed to plastic.
Aye.
With a interchangeable element, you can swap it around. Actually, you can't actually move them if you undo that. You can lift them up or down. Dead lucky in that when I've bought all these, that little hood's been on or been around. Slash my hands now. I think I might just
might as well just leave it off.
Borrow that. Yeah, I'll probably hit the can now with it. But really nice gun. I say it's the same gun as all the different airsporters. It's just different style stocks. Run stocks, very thin stocks.
They'll all have the same spring and piston, won't they?
These apparently were a little bit more powerful than all the other ones. I don't know why. That they were more or less right up the legal limit.
Aye.
Metal tap as opposed to plastic, or sintered plastic, or was sintered, but fluted air sides. Big heavy barrel. My barrel's capable of firing 2 bullets. We probably use the same barrel on our guns than anything. Nice gun, quite heavy. Probably the fact that it's walnut. Pressed. That could have been done with being carved in, but then it puts the price up. See if I can hit the can.
Try again.
Oh, much stronger spring that mate.
Aye.
Much stronger. I'm putting BSA pellets through, so I can only blame them for not hitting out. Of course, I'm not here in England. Probably see that side better with it.
You gotta get it this time.
There's probably a lot of dead people over that way. That was about 2 or 3 miles away. Pellets are just dropping in, so I think they're probably a little bit on the it must be going right over the top. Of course, these were made in England as opposed to the modern stuff made in Spain. I hit that here.
You could hear the different noise.
It's actually shooting high.
Unless it's been the sundial that you...
And I normally hear guns.
It's like a bit of a ding off that.
I'll give it another go. One more go.
See if I can shut the rock and hit it.
Go on. Throw a spear.
Got the catapult.
Nah.
You hit it once.
I've hit it once. I scared it.
Aye.
That's the BSA S, or the less. Got a shot as well I am with the others.